Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chelsea if you are new here. If you're not new, thanks for coming back. You're the realist. If you are new, please do subscribe, and also everyone follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I am CCSUAREZ on Instagram and Twitter. So I wanted to take a little bit of a tiny, microscopic break from only filming anti-MLM stuff, and I wanted to show y'all all of the stuff that I have bought in the past week because I just realized I spent a lot of money in the last week, so I want to do a haul video for y'all. I don't really know how I'm going to title this because yes, it's a shopping haul, but it's not just from one place. So I went to Target, TJ Maxx, then I had my Fabfitfun thing, and then 2 other local stores too. We're just gonna go over everything. Super excited. I feel like I've made a lot of good purchases. I've got my strawberry Hulk smoothie. I have to drink out of the side of my mouth because my lips can't go like that. And the first thing you're probably noticing is, yes, I did get my lips done again. The last time I got them done was I think it was the 18th of March. I got them done again. Last time I got a syringe of Restylane. This time I got a syringe of Juvederm Ultra XC. They are still swollen, obviously, so I'm sorry if they look a little bit crazy in this video. I don't care though. And then also right here and here are really the only spots I have any bruising. I answered a bunch of questions on Instagram about my lip injections and injections in general. And then if y'all have any questions, be sure to ask them in the comments below. I'm pretty open about all of that. All right, so let's start with Target first. Y'all know that I love the Ollie supplements and gummies and stuff, so I got another one of these, the women's multivitamin. I've been taking these for a long time. It's been quite a while. I want to say a year-ish. I also do the Ollie sleep gummies. I didn't have to re-up on those though. I feel like I re-upped on those last month. Then I got the Goodbye Stress one. I've only used it, I'm gonna say 3 days in a row so far. And being in sales, I get pretty stressed about the most tiny little itty bitty things, and I really like these so far. And then also the Daily Energy for a steady flow of energy, B12 plus something in the goji berry. So I like these a lot too. I got really annoyed because the cap was messed up, so I started I hulked out on it basically, and I just started slamming it on the granite countertop. And then also I re-upped on my Maybelline Dream BB Fresh BB cream, and then same with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. And then I switched my mascara back to the L'Oreal Paradise Lash, or Lash Paradise. I feel like this one works better with the lash primer, the Lancome lash primer that I used, than using this with the Lash Brag mascara by Anastasia. I wanted to get a brow pen because I feel like I'm able to do my lashes faster with them, along with carving them out. I really liked the Anastasia Brow Definer, which this is basically the same thing, but instead of a spoolie, it has this really cute little brush, which I feel does work out well because it I don't know, I just feel it buffs out better. But I could not find the L'Oreal Lumi bronzer, that big ass one that I've been using for literally I hit pan on it 2 years ago. No, it was a year ago. So I just decided to get the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And then my favorite thing that I got from Target is the Maybelline Filter Gloss. Y'all saw me post about this on Instagram, and it is so amazing. I actually had someone direct message me. They're like, I just bought 3 of those because of you. And I'm like, oh my god, I love you. I was gonna go on online and buy every single color from Ulta, but then I have the habit of putting a bunch of stuff in my cart and then just never checking out because I say that I like to shop online, but I actually prefer to shop in person. I just don't like trying things on. But yeah, this gloss is amazing. Look at that. Now let's move on to one of my favorite shops in South Tampa, Hazel and Dot. So I got these cute little earrings. They're little diamonds, which I thought was really cute. And they're by the brand called These Are Things. And I like that brand a lot. That brand has really cute stuff. And I wanted to show y'all my previous mask that I got from there. Super cute. And then I wanted to get a darker one though too. So I just got this one from there as well. And then last but certainly not least, I got this cute headband from there. And I love it so much. I think it's so adorable. And then also I got these 3 little goodies from Saturday Skin. I already have this one in a bigger version, and I have this as well. Oh my god, and I love this one. It's the Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. You put it on after your moisturizer before you go to sleep. so good. And then this one is really good as well. It's the avocado and date seed Wide Awake Brightening Under Eye Cream. So good. And then this one I haven't used yet. I'm really excited about it. It's the Rub-a-Dub Refining Peel Gel. And it basically says, start over by gently rubbing away dullness. Cleanse and then pat dry your face. Gently apply to the face in circular motions for 1 minute. Cleanse with warm water. Maybe use twice a week. I like how mostly all of Saturday Skin's products say like how often a week you should use it, because otherwise I'm going to use it every day and then my face is going to fall off. As I'm like going through stuff, I need to like put stuff away or else I will have the messiest room ever. So next, we're going to go over what I got from Marshalls. And always get William a toy whenever I go, but I got him 2 little bat toys. And this one's really cute because it has like, you see like this texture on the wing, and he like loves this. Now I got him another one and its wings were like the crinkly stuff inside, but then he like tore it apart instantly, which is annoying, but then again it was only like a $2 toy. But then when I cut it open, the squeaky thing was actually like a spiky ball, which was cool. So now I just has a spiky ball that I have to like hide because he goes crazy for squeakers. And then I also got some Burberry Brit. I'm a sucker for like a musky perfume. Not musky, but like one that's like stronger, you know? Now I feel like this time when I went to Marshalls, actually I went to TJ Maxx, but same thing. But this time when I went to TJ Maxx, I feel like I got like the best stuff I've ever gotten there, which is crazy. I got these velour faux mink lashes. Like look at how freaking beautiful these are. Like they flare out. They're so pretty. I've never seen like velour lashes ever at TJ Maxx or Marshalls. I don't know if like y'all's Marshalls is different, but I've never seen that there. And then I also got this Stila eyeshadow too, this cream eyeshadow. And I just thought that was like absolutely beautiful. Y'all know I'm a sucker for getting at TJ Maxx Stila products. Oh my god, it's just so pretty. You know what? I might wear that tonight. I have like my whole outfit picked out for tonight already. And then I also got the Morphe So Iconic. Is it 9i or is that 91? I think it's 9i palette. They had quite a bit of Morphe products at TJ Maxx this time, which was a little bit weird. I mean, I personally think that's really pretty, so I got that. I like that there was actually a gray. I feel like it's rare to have an eyeshadow palette with like an actual gray in it. You know what? We're gonna swatch this one right now. Oh, that's pretty. And we're gonna swatch this one. That's everything. And this is Say Whoa. Whoa, that's pretty too. And then this one's Butte. Those are really pretty. So I feel like I've never even used any Too Faced eyeshadows, which is very, very surprising, I know. But I saw this last time I was there, and it's the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. Obviously, all of these come, like, I check everything, every makeup piece before I purchase it, because I know a lot of times people like will like put something else in here, put something cheaper in here, or just like mess with it. Everything will be broken. So I'm very careful. I check through everything. I do not swatch anything before I buy it because that's disgusting. But this one looked like it was in good health, so I decided to get it. And I mean, I had heard good things, and I mean, these colors look really pretty, especially this one, Candied Violet. Let's see how that looks. I mean, yeah, that's really pretty. Gilded Ganache. Okay. Looks a lot prettier in person than on camera. You know what? This color, milk chocolate, and then semi-sweet, and then hot chocolate and hazelnut would look really pretty with that on the lid. It's probably what I'm going to end up doing tonight. Another thing that I got was this little cropped sweatshirt that I think is super cute. Super cute. Super cute. Super cute. Super cute. And then these sweats, which they kind of like wear weird, that they like hang on me kind of, but they have like deep pockets, and I liked that. And honestly, they're just like so soft. One of my favorite things ever. Good pair of Converse. I was wearing these all day. I'm like the worst at taking off the stickers of my shoes, especially if like I know no one's going to see it, even though you're seeing it right now as I'm trying to peel it off. Okay. Yeah. So I'm a big fan of jean shorts, a shirt, and like Converse or Toms, and like that's like my jam. Okay, so next let's move on to my Fabfitfun members picks box. And the first thing that I was way too excited about are these slippers. I've been wearing them all day today and yesterday, and I am going to do like a full-on get unready with me video so I can show y'all like in depth all of this. But it came with those slippers and a rug that is in her kitchen, and I'll insert a video or a picture. And then this Generation Clay brightening purple clay mask. Amazing. Like, it's so good. And then there's this IGK expensive high shine top coat. And this is more so like something you would substitute in for your conditioner like once a week. And whipped cleansing cream. I mainly picked out this one for Tony. And then there's the nurturing hand cream. Again, I got this one mainly for Tony for when he worked. I don't want y'all to think I'm cheating on face halo, but I wanted something that was a little bit bigger, so I got the original makeup eraser, and you just get it wet and then take off your makeup. And obviously my face halos are like this big, and I wanted something that was a lot bigger. So I'm very happy that I got this. And then last but certainly not least, and I actually used this last night. So y'all know I'm obsessed with my weighted blanket or my gravity blanket, whatever you want to call it. I got it from Target. It's the 15-pound one. It literally looks just like this. This matches it perfectly. And I sweat at night, but ever since I've been using that weighted blanket, I haven't been. So I sleep under our very lightweight comforter. So I sleep under that usually with like a bra and underwear on, or like a bra and underwear and like a light shirt or something. And I sleep under the comforter, and then over the comforter I have the weighted blanket, and it makes me feel so like secure and safe and just surrounded, and that really helps my anxiety, and that really helps me fall asleep. But Fabfitfun in my box, but in my Fabfitfun box I also got this weighted eye mask or face sleep mask, whatever you want to call it, and I slept with it last night, and let me tell you, I've never felt safer. It's so good. Like, holy crap. It actually, I went to sleep and like slept so hard it like fell off of my head and I didn't even notice. So with Fabfitfun you get 8 to 10 full-size products for just the cost of $49.99. Now if you use the code CCSUAREZ at checkout, you can save $10, and that means you're getting all of that, which is actually valued at over like $300, for only $39.99. So feel free to use my code CCSUAREZ and all caps at checkout to save $10. And Fabfitfun is seasonal, and this box is amazing. They actually had a lot of other really cool products too in this for this season, but I decided to like get a few things for my husband too, because I like to get things for like our household, if that makes sense. But I will be doing like a full-on, like, not a dedicated video to this because obviously this is sponsored. I'm just an affiliate with them, but I'll be doing a more like get ready for bed with me type of video with like all this stuff, so I can actually like use it more than just like twice. Now to show you one of my, I would say one of my favorite stores, but it's definitely like my favorite store. It's called Sweet Southern Chic. It is a boutique in South Tampa where I live, and one of my best friends, Saya Davis, owns it, and she's the best. So we are going to do a little bit of like a fashion show for you for some really cute outfits that I got. Okay, so I really love this shirt. It's a little lip bite, and it is, I should get a small, but look how long it is. It's a dress. But I got a medium because literally after like washing it once with this brand of shirts, like shrink it. So I got a medium, and then also I like to tie my shirts. So there we go. See, now we're tied, we're perfect. I actually do like when it's like longer like this. So I thought that was so cute, and it's like distressed in certain areas. I love that up there. Distressed. Okay, now these are joggers. They have kind of deep pockets on the side right here, and pockets right here. But these feet fit real good. So these are my jam, and then I got this olive bodysuit with it. And I'm pretty sure y'all can't see it, but I love how like there's like this like ribbing right here, and I feel like it just like sucks you in. And honestly, whenever I wear a bodysuit like this, I don't wear a bra because like, what's the point? Yes, my nipples are going to show, but I don't care. Okay, so obviously with these shorts, I'm going to tie them in a different way, but this bodysuit is the most comfortable bodysuit I've ever worn in my life. It's so soft. I feel so like secure without like not being able to breathe. And then like these shorts run really small, but these are a large and they're too big on me. So I'm probably going to have to go back and get a medium because like they look like they fit, but like they just feel big. Or I don't know, I might just not care. I might just keep them for when I get fat. It's going to happen eventually. I don't know, these are really cute though. Yeah, I think I need a medium instead because they're a little too big. God, this top though is so good. Okay, now this is one of my favorite things that she has like ever. So this is obviously a jumpsuit, but I don't know, I just feel like it like You would think that it wouldn't like suck me in, but I feel like it does. And then it does have pockets. And then I have this one in like a blue like palm frond shade or whatever color pattern, and I like that one a lot. But I just love that it has pockets and like I can wear a belt with it if I feel like I need to, which I don't need to. I'm short, so like everything's long on me, so I'm like constantly adjusting everything, but I really like this one a lot. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed this haul and me just showing you that I spent way too much money this week. Please subscribe and let me know what your favorite thing was that I got. Don't forget my coupon code or promo code for Fabfitfun. It's CCSUAREZ and you'll save $10. And I need to go shower because look at this gross ass greasy hair. But I need to go edit a video and then like take a nap. I'm very tired after a long day of shopping. So I will see you at my next video. Like, subscribe, comment, all those things. Bye.